Hi friend, David here from Learn Stage Lighting, and in this video I just want to walk through some of the basics of using a snow machine. So here we have the Froggy's Fog Boreas S4. This is a standard, really simple snow machine that uses a bubble type fluid to create snow. Okay, and so the question then becomes, how do you use it? How do you get the most out of it? How do you make great snow for your next event? Okay, so I just want to walk you through the basics real quick. First things first, we've got a fluid reservoir in the back. Use an approved fluid for your snow machine. This one I got from Froggy's, got their quick dry their extra dry snow, and then you'll go ahead, plug in power, plug in a remote or DMX. This machine has both, and then we're going to turn it on. Now, warning, if you are getting a snow machine and it is not sold, it is not marketed as a silent or quiet snow machine, then it's not going to be quiet. Okay, so we're going to try to edit out as much of the noise as possible, but it's not going to be easy. So turn that guy on, it boots up. Now we've got our remote on, and as you can hear from a quick buzz of the fan there, it's not the quietest thing ever. So, a lot of times with these remotes, you've got a couple options. You've got the timer. This is typically great because you say interval, aka how often does it run. So let's just set a quick interval like 30 seconds. Then within that 30 seconds, how much does it run? I've set it to 10 seconds, okay? So set it to 10 seconds within that interval. Then you have an output percentage. I'm gonna turn that way down right now because we're in my office and it's not that big, okay? Then you can go ahead. Turn that timer on and you're ready to go. Now I will warn you, I like to use manual at first because a lot of times these machines, it takes a minute for the fluid to make its way from the tank actually into the unit and to start shooting out. Perfect. So as we saw there, just running it manual, it took 10 good seconds, and then we were seeing snow. Now let's talk about snow machine placement. Okay, so it's best to get the snow going up in the air so it can then fall onto all your stuff. Placement wise, if you can hang it, that's always best. If it does need to be put on the ground, that's okay too. Okay, so I'm going to aim it up in the air. With this machine, we also have two fan speeds, high and low, on the back here. That's super helpful in terms of noise because the low is not super loud, doesn't throw the snow super far, but it is quieter. The high, it kicks that snow way out there, gives you a killer snow effect. Okay, so I'm going to walk away from the camera a little bit and lift this guy, point him up in the air, and show you guys a snow effect. So as you can see, with a machine like this, even in a small space like this, we've got snow falling everywhere. I think it's showing up on camera. It's a great effect that you can use in your next snow, whether it's a winter show, whether it's just something where you want a little whimsical ad. Having a good snow machine is critical though, so make sure you've got one that has variable output, DMX or a remote, depending on what you need, and being able to get that snow up in the air, preferably hung, is going to be your best bet. If you have any questions on snow machines, there's a couple resources for you. One, head over to Learn Stage Lighting Gear on our YouTube channel. We've got a review of this machine, walking you through some more of the particulars and what we like about it. Then go ahead and check it out on Learn Stage Lighting Gear. We've got machines like the Boreas S4. We've got silent machines. We've got them from all sorts of different brands. If you need help choosing, don't hesitate to reach out to a gear expert through our contact form or through our quote request. We would be glad to help you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. And hey, enjoy the snow.